it's me, Jennefer. You guys can call me Jen. My typical day starts with completing assignments and studying to ensure that I'm up to date with my homework. After that, I usually take some time to clean the house and organize my belongings to ensure that my living space is neat and tidy. Once that is done, I head off to campus to attend lectures and participate in group discussions. During my free time, I love listening to music, especially my favorite K-pop group ever, aespa. One of the things that I love about aespa music is how catchy and upbeat their songs are, which makes them perfect for listening to while doing household chores, like cleaning the house. The rhythm and melody of their music are so energizing and fun. It can really help to make mundane tasks feel more enjoyable and less tedious. On weekends, I like to take a break from my studies and hang out with my friends. We usually go out to explore the city, have a nice meal together, or simply grab some coffee and work on our group projects. I find it refreshing to spend time with my friends outside of the academic setting, and it helps me to recharge and approach my studies with renewed focus and motivation. So this is my daily activities. Thank you for watching.